So in this video, I am going to teach you on how to fix your League of Legends Vanguard error VAN 185. So first, you need to access or open your web browser, but in this case, I will be using the Google Chrome to do this tutorial. So first, after opening your web browser, you must visit the support-League of Legends riotgames.com, and once you click on that, you will redirect to this page, which is it shows all of the Vanguard's error codes as well as its solutions. So for you to able to fix your VAN 185, you must scroll down, and under the Vanguard error codes, you must scroll down and find the 185 code. Once you click on that, you will see the error it has, which is the error connection that may cause by leaving the League client running for longer than 7 days or being logged into the different device or multiple devices on the client. So, you must restart your League of Legends as well as your Riot client and log out of the client on other devices as well. For you to able to fix that, you must do this method to disregard or to get rid of that kind of issue. So that's how you fix your League of Legends Vanguard error VAN 185.